Okay. I'm stuck in this type of infinite IKEA. Okay. You can see from the surroundings, I think this is IKEA. Okay. Like infinite feeling. Ooh, exit. What the? Where's the exit? There's no exit. It's just wall. Okay. Well, again. What's that? Jordan? I haven't seen you in years.
I am the vampire.
You're not a vampire. You've just been into this IKEA for too long. I've been into IKEA for too long. You're just sharp sick. Help! Okay. I think I'm free. Yeah, I'm probably free. Oh shoot. You mind if I get that? You mind if I get that, Jordan?
Oh no, who's gonna throw it up there?
No, don't. Stop.
But you know it'll fall down, right?
Stop, Jordan. Where is it?
In my head.
Stop bothering me, Jordan. Okay. I think we've been in here for too long. Jordan, I think we've been in this place for too long. You think we can make it out?
No.
Which we can. Just like Jordan. I'm not an employee. I'm not an employee. Exit. Ow. Help. Nikki's gone.